Welcome again to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques, and a teapot to show you in this video, a piece of Royal Worcester actually from their fireproof range. Late 20th century, not particularly old this, but in a very sort of traditional shape and with a nice bit of detailing. Made these in both this silver lustre version and the gold lustre version, so let's just show you over this. Nice condition is the first thing to say. Dual locking and rotating lid, so you've got one recess and the lid is put in through the back under the front rim and then down and rotated and then locked, so it holds that in place. A nice very narrow spout this. These were made for the catering industry principally. They were sold as private pieces of china, but let me show you the marks there. Registered Royal Worcester, made in England, fireproof. Quite a late 20th century industrial looking Royal Worcester, not the classic crown and usual marks that you find on their fine porcelain. And this was intended to basically stand up to its heavy life in being used several times a day in a catering environment, hotels, cafes, those type of things. Royal Worcester was still a popular and posh brand to have if as a restaurateur or hotel owner you could afford to do so. I particularly like the detailing on the lid. Just let me show you that, if I can get the lid back off. Really nicely moulded, little sort of almost crown pineapple with floral leaf moulding around there. Very, very pretty. Does stand out. And it reflects the light so beautifully, this teapot, as do the gold lustre version. So a nice thing, in fine condition, no real condition notes or warnings on this piece at all. Very usable and ready to go. Piece of vintage late 20th century Royal Worcester. If you'd like further information, sizes, the measurements, height and width on this, I think it's a 2-pint version of the teapot, then follow the links below. It'll take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website where this particular teapot's going on sale this afternoon. Thanks for watching.